Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle model. First, gather your essential tools: paper, a compass, sharp scissors, and a pencil. Choosing a sturdy material like cardstock will make your model more durable. Make sure your compass is in good working order and set to the exact radius you need for your perfect circle. Now, let's draw your circle. Place the compass point firmly at the center of your chosen paper. Gently rotate the compass, allowing the pencil to draw a continuous, smooth circle. Maintain consistent pressure throughout the rotation to ensure a clear and unbroken line. This step is crucial for a well-defined model. With your circle drawn, it's time to cut it out. Use sharp scissors and carefully follow the line you've drawn. For the smoothest cut, try to move the paper as you cut, rather than just the scissors. Take your time to trim any small imperfections, ensuring your circle has a perfectly round and clean edge. Your basic circle model is almost complete. Now you can add any finishing touches. Feel free to decorate it with colors, patterns, or specific labels if it's for a project. For a more advanced model, you might even add folds or cuts to create a three-dimensional effect. Your easy circle model is now ready for whatever purpose you have in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.